Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how to rename bones and normalize their coordinate axes. I'll start by creating an armature as an example. Note that some functions in this add-on only work correctly when the bone names are standardized. First, switch to Edit mode or Pose mode so we can select the bones. The add-on supports 4 languages: Vietnamese, English, Japanese, and Chinese. Please select the language you are most comfortable with. Now, select the bone corresponding to each data field and assign them. Do this sequentially for the 5 main bones. Make sure to check the box Apply to all bones, and then click the Apply button. Wow! All the bones have been renamed automatically with just one click, saving you a lot of time. To be safe, you can double-check everything one more time. Do the same for the finger bones. Select the base finger bones and assign them to their corresponding fields. I've also added a button to check for duplicate bone names with the .001 suffix. The system will display a notification when you click this check button. Now, let's move on to the bone axis normalization function. I'll enable the coordinate axis display so you can visually see the changes. This function offers 3 methods to choose from: Mixamo, Rigify, and AutoRig Pro. Select one and then click Normilaze. The axes of all bones will change according to the standard rules. The system calculates directions in 3D space and applies them with absolute precision across various bone poses, whether it's an A pose, T pose, or even bones that are misaligned due to manual rotation. Everything becomes absolutely accurate with just one click. So, why is it necessary to adjust the coordinate axes so precisely? If you don't do this, retargeting motion capture data will always result in incorrect poses, costing you a lot of time to fix later. Goodbye for now. In the next video, I will guide you through other functions of the add-on.